Hey guys, today I woke up in my computer. I found that sounds different. So when I started up, I saw this. See, same all is on, and this that we say. And that's just, I didn't activate that thing, but it is active. The people who knows the area said it cannot be activated by itself, but it is. I didn't do anything. How can you see the four corners say more, say more, say more down there, and save more too? But we're here to fix it, and we're gonna do it now. And just follow the simple steps. These steps work with any Windows 10 or older. I'm not sure about Windows 11, but it should work. So what you're gonna do is press the window key and plus R at the same time. This way. This and this. That will open a command window that execute a software. All you have to do is write the next command. com com no I mean ms config msconfig and do OK. That way and do OK. And that will open the system configuration window. All you have to do here is go to the boot option. Is this one right here. You see my mouse is right here. Click. And then when you are here, all you have to do is uncheck this option right here. It says save boot. Just uncheck it. And that will activate apply button, and then OK. We just do apply and then OK. And then this window pop up what said you need to restart your computer to make the change valid. So that's what we're gonna do is make a restart. And then we just use the password for user and go. And here it is. We're back now for action. There's no more same old here. See? Well, my normal day is back and I can keep going. A like will be fine for me. Thanks for watching, fellas. Don't forget to subscribe.